Hello everybody, this is Karthikeya from CSCB. The topic is the operational role of security information and event management systems. Computer Security Incident Response Team CSIRTs are responsible for receiving, reviewing and responding to computer security incident reports and activities. Each CSR each CSIRT has a defined consistency such as a corporate, government, or educational organization, a region, or a country. A CSIRT's first task is to monitor security events related to its organization's IT assets. Performing this task is a Security or Operations Center SOC, which is typically a centralized unit in an enterprise IT organization. Security incident and event management systems are an important tool in SOCs, collecting, normalizing, and analyzing security events from the diverse sources, but they must evolve to overcome future scalability issues. Security incident and event management systems. A SOC's goal is to monitor security related events from enterprise IT assets, including the IT network perimeter defense systems such as firewalls and intrusion prevention devices, application servers, databases, user accounts. When an alert is triggered, SOC personnel determine whether it was triggered inadvertently, perhaps in response to routine network maintenance, and is harmless, or if the events indicates a strong likelihood of malicious activity. A SOC's effectiveness depends on its analytic and forensic capabilities, access to actionable threat intelligence, etc. SIEM systems were designed to meet these challenges. They collect events from diverse sources, each of which might represent events using a vendor specific schema, normalize these disparate schemata into a common representation or and store these normalized events. Structuring SOCs around SIEM systems. The SIEM systems accepts input from various security devices and sensors, including perimeter defense systems, host sensors, applications, and network sensors. The SIEM system's first task is to normalize the different representations into a common format to ease further processing and to simplify rule creation and maintenance. Cost benefit analysis. SIEM systems' popularity in SOCs is due primarily to their ability to handle a large number of events from many different sources. When enterprise networks were smaller and generated fewer events, the SIEM systems weren't very popular among enterprises network administrators. However, operating large-scale SIEM systems requires a large budget. A typical management platform might cost 80,000 US dollars and an archival database might cost 20,000 US dollars. Hence, large SIEM system with hundreds of connectors, a few hundred archival databases, and multiple platforms might require $3 to $5 million in upfront hardware cost, additional yearly maintenance cost. Operational challenges. SOCs confront various operational challenges using SEM systems, driven primarily by the scale and complexity of enterprise being monitored, and the rate at which events arrive from security devices and sensors. Rule creation and management. Having all the networks and host logs at SA's fingertips is attractive because the more information a SOC has, the better its situational awareness. However, this comes at the cost of transforming an SIEM system's data management to the big data management. which turns storage, search, sharing, transfers, analysis, and visualization into challenges. One aspect of this problem is the system's inability to efficiently execute complex queries, severely limiting SA's ability to write complex correlation rules. Lack of contextual information. Another challenge SOCs face is isolation from enterprise network operations. A SOC personnel aren't involved in the details of configuring, testing, and maintaining enterprise assets. Routine activities such as patching, backup, and testing might trigger alerts in SIEM systems designed to detect security breaches, and tracking down the causes of such assets creates unnecessary overhead. Technical challenges and opportunities. We, be- uh, we believe that SIEM systems will continue to be an integral part of SOCs. However, they must evolve to deal with event collection, storage, analysis, and visualization challenges. The key challenge SIEM systems face is the scale of events enterprise networks generate from hardware devices, software applications, and action of people in the network. More complex applications and devices tend to generate more events. Technical challenges we face. Event collection. Collecting events in a scalable manner is a challenge. Event storage. SIEM systems must balance storage costs with analyze requirements, event correlation and analysis. SIEM systems correlate events across multiple event streams and look for known event patterns to identify attacks and other security relevant events. Visualization. We believe that SIEM systems will never reach the maturity level needed to replace human analysts in SOCs. At best, they will be tools in analysts, and network administrators' decision-making process. Although SIEM systems provide a solid technical foundation for SOCs, we believe further advances are needed to create a more adaptive, context-aware, flexible, holistic, and social solution. The solution should capture organization specific knowledge, has feedback from the SOC to guide investigation processes and reduce the volume of events. Thank you.